I'm reading The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This is such an awesome book. It's from Joseph Murphy, and I want to read to you just, what is it, less than 2 pages, page and a half or less. And this is taken out of chapter 11, I believe it is, or chapter 12. And this part is called How an Outstanding Physician Solved the Problem of Diabetes. In the 1920s, Dr. Frederick Banting, a brilliant Canadian physician and researcher, focused his attention on the ravages of diabetes. At that time, medical science offered no effective method of arresting the disease. Dr. Banting spent considerable time experimenting and studying the international literature on the subject, but every path he explored seemed to be a dead end. One night, exhausted by still another long day of what seemed to be wasted efforts, he fell asleep. While he lay sleeping, his subconscious mind instructed him to extract the residue from the degenerated pancreatic duct of dogs. This inspiration led him to the discovery of insulin, which has helped countless millions of people since. You will note that Dr. Banting had been consciously dwelling on the problem for some time, seeking a solution, a way out. His subconscious responded accordingly. It does not follow that you will always get an answer overnight. The answer may not come for some time, but do not be discouraged. Keep on turning the problem over every night to the subconscious mind prior to sleep, as if you had never done it before. If you continue to experience a delay in arriving at a solution, maybe you are thinking of the question you are presenting to your subconscious mind as a major one that will take a long time to solve. This would not be surprising. We are usually tempted to believe our problems are difficult. If they weren't, they wouldn't be problems. However, this is a mistake. Your subconscious mind is timeless and spaceless. Go to sleep believing you have the answer now. Do not postulate that the answer will have to wait to come in the future. Have an abiding faith in the outcome. Become convinced now as you read this book that there is an answer and a perfect solution for you. This book has all kinds of answers for you, all kinds of solutions for you. It will help you throughout your entire life. I don't care how old you are, how much experience you have in life, how much knowledge you have, how young you are, whatever it is you are, you can be the person you want yourself to be by reading this book and applying its tips and techniques to you and your life. You have control over your entire life, all by your little lonesome. Nobody else can control you. Your mind is what you've got to change if you want to change your life. And this book will show you how. The power of your subconscious mind. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.